Yes, right. Let us explain that Java operators. Today, our topic is the Java operator. Java operator is a one type of symbol. Okay. Uh, for example, when you're seeing that symbol, that is not a symbol. For example, just you have to enter one letter A and B and C and like 1 and 0, 0 to 9 numbers. When you enter that number in backside, that is not having any function. But here, that symbols plus, minus, uh, different type of operators is available. But whenever you typing that symbol, then automatically in backside of that symbol, it can be having a one functionality. So in the sense, for example, in MS Word, just you have to type it in that plus symbol in the MS Word or Notepad file. When you type out that 1 plus 2 equal to, when you type on that 1 plus 2 and equal to, if any give the answer in that Word or Notepad or anything, it is not giving the any answer. Why? Because um, here also you have to using that mathematical operator plus and minus and these are all things, but that operator it cannot be having that functionality. Yes, that functionality it can be it cannot be having that functionality in the MS Word and notepads and these are things. But whenever you using in that calculator 1 plus 2, then automatically it can be providing that answer. You are getting that answer. Why? Because in backside of that symbol it can be having a different type of functionality it can be having. If you want to using the plus, then automatically that plus symbol it can be having a one um, one functionality. If you want to using that arithmetical operators and logical operators and so many operators we have using in mathematical operators, when you're using in between numbers, it can be having a one functionality. Let us explaining that how many types of operators will be there in here in Java. For example, first one is the arithmetical operators, exactly. uh, Arithmetical, and second one logical in the sense by the understanding purpose relational. Okay, relational. And third one logical. Okay, and fourth one here in Java, increment and decremental. Yes, incremental and decremental operators. Excuse me, it's going on class going on. Don't stop. Decremental operators. Okay, and fifth one also is there, that is the assignment operators. Assignmental operators. So each and everything you have to explain. So without that explain and without that example also, you cannot understand that in that Java. So that arithmetical operators is a different type of functionality is there in C and C++ and here in Java also. And some of the special functionality can be there in that Java programming side. So here the assignment operator is, and the sixth one terminal operators. Terminal operators are ternary operators. Okay, the fifth one is the assignment operator, and sixth one is the ternary operators. Okay, and seventh one and final operator is the bit operator, bitwise operators. Okay, so this type of operators is there. So here also, and two different unary operators and binary operators also is there. Unary operator in the sense logical and assignment operator, logical, sorry, incremental and decremental and assignment operator is there, that both are operators are unary operators. Why we are calling that unary operator? In the sense, a single digit answer we will get that. For example, true or false or true, either true or false, that's one answer we have to get in that. So that is the unary operators. And binary operators, in the sense, you have to get the and two type of answers, you have to get that final. And that's why, and remaining operators is a binary operators. Okay. Incremental and decremental and assignment operator is the what type of operator? Unary operator. And remaining operators are binary operators. For example, here just you have to take the arithmetical operator. Arithmetical operator, in the sense, here what type of operators you have? Plus, minus. Yes, exactly. For example, here you have to. Okay. So here arithmetical operator, in the sense, additions, additions, and
Multiplications,
yes, exactly, multiplications and
subtractions,
subtractions and
divisions,
divisions, exactly, and
percentage,
what is that?
modulus,
What is that? Percentile. Yes,
percentage.
yes, these are all the arithmetical operators. Okay. So and next, well, here just you have to take that person, what is that, additions and subtractions and multiplications and divisions and percentage. And each and everything, it can be having a one example. Also have to give that examples. In further, just you have to use the eclipse. So why? Because previous, whenever you execute in DOS mode, then each and every time you have to generate the class file and execute that class file. So that two type of executions will be there in that time. In that type of executions, it can be time it can be consuming. And that's why I have to using that Eclipse. Okay. I think each and every person should be installed already. I think. Already, are you installed that Eclipse? No.
Sir.
And huh? JDK install చేశారు. Okay. But no problem. I have to share it that Google Drive, by the using of that Google Drive. I have to store in that different type of softwares and JDK and Eclipse, and these are all things I have to give. Already yesterday also, previous day, or in the sense Friday, I have to go the instructions. Each and every person, just you have to send it the mail ID. I gave the instruction, but no one can be sending that mail IDs. That's the reason I did not sharing any software. That's the thing. And today onwards, after the completion of this class, just you have to share it, your mail ID. Okay. Don't worry about that one. So here, just you have to copy it, that create the uh, what is that, addition, for example. Just addition purpose, just you have to create a one small program. Then how or what type of answer it can be there? Just these are all things. It is visible on the screen, this Eclipse. Yes, just you have to already in default it can be providing that public class. Public class, it can be created the default. And uh, what is that, input command also, it can be main function also, it can be there. No need to type in here Eclipse software. Okay. Say yes or no. Yes, right. In first and addition purpose, just you have to type it that data type. Okay, and then give the space and variable. Okay, and variable, and just you have to use the operator. Okay, then here you have to assign that 100 plus 50. 50. Okay. What is that? 100. Oh, okay. Will be automatically it can be typed that. Okay. And next, just you have to type it here. System. No need to type in this system, and these are all things. Actually, type here S Y S and shift control shift space bar. It is not getting control shift space bar. Just S Y S shift space bar enter. It's not working actually. Just type it and system dot out. Yes, out dot println. It is need to type in that println. Exactly. Must and should we have to type it that line without ln you are using that print. It can be we have to get the answer also, but in separate line it can be providing that output in that. Yes, and row space they have to be providing whenever you're using that ln. Okay. Next, what you have to call that output here, x only. Okay, just you have to within the bracket, just you have to call the x. Okay, and finally just you have to give the semicolon, then you have to execute. What is that? Yeah, here I have to mention capital M. What is that? Integer x equal to 100 plus 50, and here also you have to provide that semicolon. Semicolon and system dot out dot println, and x you have to call it. If it is any missing, what it is that? Yeah, public also is there. What is that? Arguments in front. Yeah, is there to open and to string double quotation.
Sir, double quotations, sir.
One moment. I have to
Yes.
maybe Eclipse, if it is not executing, just I have to create a notepad file. Then we will.
Sir, near output, we have applied X, right, sir, there.
One moment. One moment. Java. Okay. Okay. ಇದು just CMD. Where it is that main actually, where it is there. Screen off.